Now, my friend Jim Skinner, who is an active drag racer, loves drag racing and lives near Island Dragway, has been restoring a GS1100E, turning it into a drag bike. It's got some unique features on it. We've been speaking at Bikes and Breakfast for many years. I finally got to go up, visit his shop, and see his bike under restoration. It is a jewel.
I'm not sure.
Oh my God, look at this. Take the covers off.
But again,
Woo!
I can only get the tank on. The straps here prevent me from putting the seat and side covers. But,
SUZUKI is no joke, huh?
yeah.
Oh my God, look at the calipers you got on here.
Yeah, I had that chrome.
Nice, nice. The paint looks real nice on this.
Yeah, no, this looks good.
Little thing, I think.
Harbor Freight job.
It's cute.
Looks heavy duty.
It was repaired at one time. The tank.
Oh, this is the Harbor Freight one.
It looks heavier than the Harbor Freight though.
That's a Craftsman. If you're looking at the stand.
It's heavier than the Harbor.
Yeah.
Harbor Freight stole the design and cheapened it.
Oh, did they?
I
Okay.
think so. I think so.
Yeah.
Harbor Freight would steal somebody's design. I find that
Those
easy
are
to
bigger,
believe.
This is bigger. Craftsman,
You would know. So,
As far as parts on this, where do you have to make your own? You got it available? Like, what's it?
like I said, I was single. I was sharing my little story with Wendy before I met Renata, and I bought a parts bike. It was, I don't know if it was a buck a whack at a Harley thing or just a disgruntled wife. There were dents on his bike, like how did it get dented there? Like if it fell over, or you know.
Disgruntled wife. They're all over the
Disgruntled wife.
place.
What year is this bike?
83.
Are these pictures of you, Jim, or your Bren's?
On there in the yellow with the yellow helmet.
Oh, this is you up here.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
In
These
the
are
90s.
almost like impossible to find if you ever need them. Like, you know what I mean? Like, how do you?
Yeah, I have parts too. Like Wendy, I had a spare bike, so what I did was I harvested parts off of that, dialed them up, and put it on this, which I still have some more. But like
Do you have a 4-into-1 for this, or
yeah, I
a
do.
stock exhaust?
No, it's 4-into-1. It's actually a Bob Carpenter pipe, not a Vance and Hines. But yeah, neat. You're going to meet a gentleman today. His name is G.W. Greg Ross, fellow painter, friend, and just a gearhead. He's a trip. You'll love him. He's funny.
He's going to be at the track?
Yeah, him and his wife. He just recently retired, and he's loving life.
So you got a lot of parts from
to the
Florida,
track?
right?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
Yeah, absolutely.
Looks
Yeah.
like it.
Um,
Oh yeah.
Nice.
yeah.
Nice garage.
And, I ordered some parts through CMS.
Let me see
You
the
guys know
front of
about
this.
CMS.
Let's
Anyway.
see, you got this? I have mine polished too. Let's see,
You have
nice.
yours painted. That's really sharp. So, but anyway, it's a work in progress, and
Well,
Thanks,
it's
buddy.
nice. During the pictures you showed me at Bikes and Breakfast, it looked real nice.
Yeah.
Looks even nicer in real life.
yeah, and again, it's got glitches, but it adds character. You know,
They're probably painted.
Actually, the bike is dark blue.
it's
It's blue. Yeah, it's dark blue.
Certain light has got a
They gotta be
purple.
painted.
glow.
Yeah.
It's actually a nice color. I think it's a
Really
real
is.
nice
I didn't
color.
like it at first.
They came red or blue this year, if I remember
There's not
right.
many blue on the East Coast.
No, Dallas has 2 red ones,
Okay.
and of course mine are. Mine is blue.
Oh, is
Underneath the breast coolie paint,
Oh, okay,
it's
no
blue.
kidding.
It was blue anyway.
How big is it?
1100.
Wow.
Yeah. You just watch your step over there.
Wow.
So yeah, and it's
Suzuki wasn't fooling around back in the day, huh?
no, they weren't.
They were trying to kick Kawasaki's ass, huh?
Well, they did, I guess, with the help of Terry Vance and Byron Hines.
Yeah, with those.
So
Now, when I looked real close here in Jim's garage, the lighting was not great, but the bike, the paint, the polish, the detail, the attention to detail, and the chrome work that Jim had done, absolutely spectacular. And this is, when this bike is done, it is going to be absolutely a show quality bike. And Fast Mike, that famous drag racer.
Are you gonna put
That's
the
sweet,
box
baby.
back?
That's sweet.
thank you. And again, it's a work in progress. But
What kind of bars are these? Are these commercial? Or?
no, I actually, I think they're stock. Someone pointed out that they were welded.
They're welded, yeah.
welded.
I'm looking at and that looks like a professional weld.
And
It's my new
they don't look
Kawasaki.
crooked.
No,
And,
whoever did it did a great job.
I think they're solid on the end.
Mine are in a truck too.
Yeah, these are GS bars when they're
So
solid
the
in the
GS bars
end.
that someone,
I I know what they did. They wanted the GS bars.
Did they? Okay.
Those are probably real GS bars.
Right, and again, I
Nice.
just
You didn't
bought
you didn't get a set of stock bars with the bike.
No,
ZX
no.
stand did
Now, just to add something, I just posted a video about a week or two ago about why real GS bars are really worth it if you're restoring a GS, because they have those weights in the end. They help cure front end vibration. And there's a lot of reasons. They're all detailed on the video. Just search my channel for how to cure front end vibration.
No, it's a Z.
What are you looking for?
Yeah,
What are you
Oh
looking
no, I
for?
left my glasses in the.
Oh!
exactly. 130 horsepower, that's plenty. Let me tell you, the bike is quick.
I'm looking for my youth. That's what I'm looking for.
Yeah.
We're going to be here a long time.
Yeah,
We really should get going.
Yeah. I
I
second
don't-
that.
How'd
Yeah,
that work? Work out all right for you?
Might be a little bit of a line getting into the track.
That's okay.
That's okay.
We're
Tom.
young
We're
men.
gonna have fun. We're gonna have fun.
We're going to have a great day at the drags, that's for sure.
25,000 miles on the bike. So I want to get.
And the whole motor is here. There's no parts missing? Well, you
no
took the
parts
clutch
missing
off,
other
right?
than the hub.
Oh, okay.
And again, I took the start out.
That'll fit right in my parts bike if this guy doesn't want it.
Right.
I'll be partners with
I'm
you.
sure he wants it.
We'll make a drag bike.
Right.
You drive it and I'll pay for it.
But,
It'll
so,
go fast.
So I've been moved to Colorado with his wife to be closer to their children who live out west. He was from Blairstown, New Jersey, and he had many gatherings every winter of sign painters come.
But you were a sign painter, Jim, right?
Was, yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
and this
Business.
is one of yours, or?
That's Greg Ross, GW Ross,
Okay.
the striping.
Okay, and what is this one? The same thing?
Another stripe panel from Greg.
Oh, cool.
they're different years from different years.
Yeah. That's very fine art stuff. Very thin.
He's
That's the most complicated.
yeah,
pinstriping
you'll
I've
get to
ever
meet
seen.
him. He's such a
Yeah, that's artwork. That's not like.
yeah.
Yeah, it's not like.
But
That's really nice.
Alan's first bunch were called lettering artists.
So all of these guys that we're going to meet are lettering artists. Is that a?
GW Ross, and if Glenn is there, Glenn Weisgerber. Glenn is internationally known.
Now, the reason I'm trying to define it, are we mentioning custom painting? In other words, doing Bondo work and getting everything level and smooth, or lettering on a paint job that's
cosmetic.
already done?
Well, more of the body work is already done. And stuff.
Okay, I didn't know.
Greg, though, is able to see, and I just love the position of it, and it made it to the fridge.
They made it. Look, this is pretty cool.
That's-
Now you know a man is addicted to drag racing. What is like? See, I have
That's
grand
my-
pictures.
That's my old race bike.
This is your old race bike.
Yeah. So
That's very cool. Oh, here he is down here.
That's just someone from a paper.
Nobody will know. We'll tell them it's you. Now that's a refrigerator. I am impressed with that. So thank you, Jim, for sharing your work in progress, and we'll be visiting back from time to time to see the progress you made. I made a small donation to this cause, some of the parts from my parts bike that Jim needed to complete the restoration, and I look forward to seeing it finished and out on the road, and maybe seeing Jim do a couple of hole shots with it. I was amazed. The bars were a great idea, but keep in mind, I posted a video already about why those GS handlebars are different than just putting on a set of ordinary aftermarket bars. And this bike has low mileage. It is in immaculate condition. The parts he's had polished and chromed look absolutely beautiful. The paint is beautiful. I don't see any reason this is not going to be a real a showstopper very soon. And of course, Jim is an accomplished drag racer with a long history of doing burnouts in his driveway or whatever. And again, thank you, Jim. This was a very, very memorable day. And if you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button. And one and all, guys, thanks so much for watching.